All right. What is up? Here we are, the last day of the week. And I'm finishing minus $13.70. So I really had no idea what I was trading at the open, and that's usually a red flag. If I have no idea what I'm going to be trading at 9:30, then it's usually a sign that should be a no trade day or a severely sized down trading day. So that's what I did. I put my max loss, about a third of my max loss, down to like $100 max loss, and I actually got close. I was down $98 on CLEU. I bought the breakout, got some quick profits, got in for the 1 minute pullback, didn't hold this pre-market level, and I stopped out down at 124 for about a 4 or 5 cent loss on 2,000 shares. So that put me back down to $98 on the day, down $98. And then I was able to kind of climb my way out slightly on AAOI. AAOI had that red to green here and breakthrough VWAP, but very, very choppy heading up after this kind of squeeze here after the break of VWAP. That was pretty much the best. This is probably the best opportunity of the day. And still C quality, C plus quality at most, at best. So, today was not the day to size up. And I came in today and I told myself, you know what, let's just do it. Let's just size up. Let's trade the size that I want to be trading and just kind of leap for it I just have to go for it. I can't be, afraid or timid about sizing up. Literally, I just got to do the same thing, just on bigger size. And then as I start getting a couple winners on bigger size, I'm definitely going to improve my confidence, seeing those bigger numbers on my P&L. But today was not the day to do it. So I didn't do it by 9:30. I was like, there's no gappers. And I downsized my max loss. So anything after $100, it's like, you know what? It's not worth to keep trading. It's not worth the risk. Your real max loss on a day like today, because the quality opportunity is not there. So that is definitely a key aspect of maintaining your profitability as a trader, is by recognizing these days before you trade your size or your big size. You should be able to recognize these days before you're pushing the pedal to the metal and taking big losses. Today could have been a huge loss if I tried pushing size today, but I was experienced enough to know that today's not the day. By 9:30, I had no idea what to trade, so that's usually the red flag for me. And yeah, there's nothing to trade. So I minimized my max loss, and I got close to it, but didn't pass it. So curious how you guys did, but I didn't do too well today. Just kind of, well, I wouldn't say I didn't do too well, but I don't know. I guess I did good because I don't have a huge loss. I'll take a $13 loss over a $100 loss any day, but so that's it. There's really nothing to go over. I went for the VWAP breakout, or the breakout of 313 a couple times here, but stopped out break even until here. I got in for the fourth or fifth try here at 310, 311, and rode this puppy up to 320. So that wasn't too bad. That was probably the best move of the day, and it was really crappy. So, I'm not really going to go over much. I made some of that loss back in CLEU. I hit my weekly goals at least this week, so that's good. I surpassed that on the week. And I'm on track. I'm just on track for the month. So if I can finish these last 2 weeks semi-green, then I'm looking good to at least hit the minimum goal that I have set for September, which is 2,000. Right now I'm $960 or something, $960. So if I can finish next week and the week after with at least $500 in profit on the week, I will be completely satisfied. I will be completely satisfied with 2,000 a month. I'm hitting my minimum monthly goals, and I'm happy for that, because this month so far has been so dang slow. that you know, I'm grateful that I'm not in the red or I'm not break even. At least I have some sort of profit on the month, which is good. Which is good. It means I am doing a lot of things right. So, without further ado, I guess that's going to be it. So very, very short recap, 5 minutes. But I do want to, if anyone's watching and they want to kind of get more involved in the community, or they want to meet other traders, I'm definitely open to meeting new people in the space. I'm going to be in the space for, you know, for the foreseeable future, for probably infinite until I'm dead. So I would love to meet you guys if you are a part-time trader, full-time trader, swing trader, etc., etc., etc. Whatever you do, if you trade soybeans, corn, forex, crypto, I would definitely love to meet some of you guys or other traders that are out there. And I think it's a really good opportunity to you know, kind of get a little bit of socialization as well. You know, as a full-time trader, you don't really get that level of socialization that you would if you had a 9-to-5 job or a corporate job. So yeah, traders definitely slack on the socialization part in their lives. A lot of traders do. That's probably one of the more lacking areas. Anyone though who has a rich social life outside of trading though is definitely admirable, because it's definitely you know, it's hard. It's hard to meet new people, and it's hard to meet people who understand you, especially if you're a trader. It's just like most people just have no idea what the heck you even do for a living. And you know, as traders, you to be successful in this, and if you are successful, like, you require so much passion and so much love for this, that this is like this is the only thing that you want to talk about it, because you want to talk about, because it is just so life-giving to us as traders. And it's really hard to have friends that aren't traders, because it's hard to find things to kind of talk about. You know, they're talking about their jobs, and we're like, I have no idea. Wait, you have to call out sick? You only have 5 sick days in a year? What? That makes no sense. Like, you only have 2 weeks of vacation? It's like, it's almost unrelatable now. And, you know, they look at our lives and they're like, wow, this guy, you know, is completely, I don't know what he does. He's pretty much unrelatable. So yeah, I mean, I'm just going to stop rambling, and you guys get the point. But yeah, what was I saying? This is what happens. I just talk and talk and talk. Anyways, yeah, if you're interested in meeting people, I'm definitely all ears. I will leave my Discord down in the description. Add me on Discord, and we can chat on video or on voice or whatever you want. Definitely want to meet other traders. And yeah, it's good to have like-minded traders to know, because you know, you can kind of vibe and share some ideas, share some tips about how to be a better trader. You know, things that we're dealing with, our successes, our failures, how to level up mentally, how to level up in our strategy. So yeah, lots of things to talk about. So if you're open to that, add me down on Discord, and I'll see you guys then next week for the next trading week. Have some goals for the next few weeks. But you know, if we're just gonna keep seeing stuff like this, you know, I just gotta try to get green and try to get out. You know, even if it's $20, $50, I'll take it. You know, but you know, it's not really the best market. So we'll see if things turn around next week. So yeah, that's it. I just rambled on for 4 minutes, so we're gonna call it here, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, peace. Also, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.